Organic agriculture is a production system that sustains the health of soils, ecosystems, and people. It relies on ecological processes, biodiversity and cycles adapted to local conditions, rather than the use of inputs with adverse effects. Organic agriculture combines tradition, innovation, and science to benefit the shared environment and promote fair relationships and good quality of life for all involved. It is a system which avoids or largely excludes the use of synthetic inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, hormones, food additives etc. It maximum rely on crop rotations, crop residues, animals manures, off-farm organic wastes, green manuring etc. It is sustainable and eco-friendly. Healthy, tasty and safe food. It improves physical, chemical and biological health of the soil, inexpensive processed sources of employment. It promotes healthy use of natural resources and reduces pollution. It improves quality, nutritive value and shelf life of farm produce. Interconnected ethical principles to inspire the organic movement: health, ecology, fairness, care, sustain and enhance the health of soil, plant, animals and humans. Healthy soil produces healthy crops which directly link to the health of humans and animals. Organic agriculture should be based on living ecological systems and cycles, work with them and help to sustain them. This principle roots organic agriculture within a living ecological system. Fairness is characterized by equity, respect, justice and stewardship of the shared world, both among people and in their relations to other living beings. Organic agriculture should build on the relationship that ensures fairness regarding the common environment and life opportunities. It states that precaution and responsibility are the key concerns in management, development and technology choices in organic agriculture. It relies primarily on local and renewable resources. It maintains the soil fertility. It enhances recycling of plant nutrients and organic matter. It maintains biodiversity in the production system, gives farm animals life conditions that related to their ecological role and natural behavior. A completely natural way of cultivation, without the application of any synthetic chemicals, characterized with the use of organic manures and biopesticides with complete avoidance of inorganic chemicals and pesticides. It involves integrated nutrient management and integrated pest management. It includes recycling of local resources by involving other components such as poultry, fish pond, mushroom, goat rearing etc. in addition to the crop component. Higher initial cost, limited suitability for large-scale pest control issue, labor and time intensive. High yield variations. Organic farming appears to be sustainable, economic and eco-friendly. Reduced risk of residual toxicity. Improves soil fertility and yielded quality production. Increase soil organic matter by using FEM, neem cake, biogas slurry, vermicompost.